Hey friends, it's Wednesday in the craft room here at Chic Talking and Design, and I have a tip for you. Yesterday on my live, I made this adorable pillowcase and I made a mistake, and I want to show you how I'm going to fix it. So can you see right here where my transfer, I didn't get ink all the way through my transfer, and this D is not complete. The rest of this is so perfect and adorable, but I am not happy with the fact that that D is not done. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. So this project was done about 18 hours ago, and so my ink is all dry. This is all dry, and I'm ready to heat set this now, but I'm not going to heat set it until I fix this problem. So if you have this happen to you, you want to wait until your project is dry. Either use your hair dryer to speed up the process, or just wait patiently, and it will be dry in about 12 hours. So because my transfer is reusable, all I had to do was wash it, and now I'm going to place it right back on top of my project exactly where it was, and I'm going to fix my problem. So lining this up really isn't that hard because you can see through the silk screen, and the only piece that I'm really worried about is this D over here. So I'm going to get this all lined up so that the edge of the top of the D and everything is where it should be, and then I'm going to press that down really well. The rest of this I'm not worried about because I'm not going to touch it at all. I'm just going to get that really well stuck. Now you can see that this is all completely lined up, and there's the area that I need to get more ink into. I'm actually probably going to put a little bit here and a little bit right there too. So I'm just using my squeegee and a little bit of my gray paste, and I'm just going to lightly, I'm not pressing hard, just pressing ever so lightly, and I'm going to go back over those areas where I didn't get enough ink. Do not press hard on this. Just glide your squeegee and your ink over the space. That's it. Peel up your transfer to reveal the fixed problem. There you have it, easy peasy, and there you have it, problem solved. My D now looks complete and it looks fabulous. To see how I made this project and how easy you can make your own pillowcases or other permanent projects with my ink,